Hi, it's me back again, and this is just gonna be a quick little video. This is gonna show what happens when you put a S-VHS tape into a regular VHS VCR. So, just today I got this very rare S-VHS copy of Ghost. Spine, top, back. Sticker label and label. You can see red reels. So, if you remember in my last video, I questioned the fact that if this tape was going to work properly or not. Well, I just popped it in, and here's what happens. I'm going to show you what happens when you put an S-VHS tape into a regular VCR. So, pop it in. Let me rewind it real quick. Alright, here's what happens. You see there's like little
is pleased to bring you our feature presentation.
Black thingies on the screen. But look at this. Oh my god, look what happened to the warning. My god, is that bad or what? Yeah, there's like... So it sort of works, but there's like little black parts on the screen, and... Oh, look at that colored line. So, it doesn't really work, but I'm still going to be keeping it because it's a very rare collectible. Well, that's it for this video, and bye.